Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how we can share Instagram Reels on WhatsApp. Let's get to it. Open your Instagram app on your phone. Then if you want to share a reel on WhatsApp, you have to choose the reel that you want to share. And I'll go with this reel. And if you want to share this reel, just click on this share button. Then you have to choose share option right here. Then if you want to share it to WhatsApp, you can click on WhatsApp. And it's right here. Just click on the WhatsApp app and then choose where you want to share this reel. You can share it to your status or you can share it to your contacts, and I'll go with my contact right here. Just click on the contacts and click on the share button, and you can click on this share button again. And alright guys, that's how we can share Instagram Reels on WhatsApp. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching and see you.